What up, guys? Your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you, haters.
What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. Today we back on pipe game. You know what I'm saying? About to do a little tune-up. We're gonna be doing spark plugs. Pick these spark plugs up at Brandon King, BKD Exhaust.com. If you need some, you know what I'm saying? You got the NGKs, you know, good ones. So we got to do the spark plugs, oil change. Got the oil change kit. We picked this up from our man Jeff Bezos. Comes with everything you need. You got your filter. You got your 3.5 quarts of oil, and you got your rings for your 2 plugs on the bottom that you're gonna remove, and your seal for your oil filter. We've done this video already. You know what I'm saying? We've done an oil change video. We've done a spark plug video. We actually did a spark plug video different from everybody else. We did it without clamshell in the bike, so you can check that out if you need to. There's a bunch of people out there doing it with the clamshell, doing the spark plugs. Simple and easy. Let me just come over here. Let me show you what we're gonna do real quick. We already got our bike clamshell. We got a short probably coming up. We got a short out showing you how to clamshell it in 45 seconds or less. So when you removing these, you got 3. If you got a 900, you're gonna have 3. If you got a 600, you're only gonna have 2 spark plugs. You're gonna remove your screws, unplug the clips, and pull out your coil packs. Remove your spark plugs, put new spark plugs in, reinstall. I prefer to do the spark plugs one at a time. You don't want to mix these wires up. You mix them up, then you're gonna have problems. You're gonna have misfires. So you come down here. You got your oil filter right here. This is your oil filter. That's where that's located. Remove your screws. Pull out your oil filter. Drain it in the bottom. So, like I said, we've done this before. So what you're gonna get is today, we're gonna do a quick one. We're gonna do a time lapse for this and get her done. All right, guys. Check you at the end. All right, guys. So we just did spark plugs, oil change, time lapse real quick. Make sure to tighten everything down. His ear tape was touching his steering rod where it got put on. It was touching up here when it turned. Adjusted that a little bit. Add the oil. That's about it. So, that time lapse, you know what we do. Eat, sleep, ride, repeat. That's what we do. Eat, sleep, make videos, repeat. KingJoffyJoe413.com. Check for the next one. Peace.